Hello students. So today's topic is the transportation means and the division or the part which I am taking today, it is pipelines. You have already read about the roadways, railways, and then now is the time for pipelines. Commonly you have seen the pipelines in your city or town for the transportation of drinking water by the municipal corporation or municipalities, and it is very common that from these water head tanks the water is supplied to the different areas of a city or a town, and this is using for a long time period. Perhaps it may have completed about 200 or more years in India the pipelines are using. But the greatest importance of these pipelines nowadays in the industrial purpose, and especially for the transportation of the crude oil, means petroleum, and along with the some other materials like the natural gas and petroleum products, as well as the slurry of the some solid matters also, and these are transporting from the fields, means their petroleum or gas fields, towards the refineries, fertilizer industries, and towards the thermal power corporations. And it is also run by the government sector, because the construction and the maintenance of these pipelines is not easier for common people and for a private person. So most of the these big and the longer pipelines are run by the government sector, and these are also transporting some anybody's individual factory's product or this liquid slurry. But the person has to give the payment, means tax, for supplying this liquid material. The cost of the initial line pipelines is high, but subsequent running cost is minimal. Means initially we have to invest a large amount for using the pipelines, but after a time period when we completed our transportation of the material, then it will be find that the cost is not too much higher. And there are the three important networks of the pipelines in India. Number one, from oil fields in Upper Assam to Kanpur via Guwahati, Barauni, and Allahabad. And it has branches from the Barauni to Haldia via Rajband, Rajband to Maurigam, and the Guwahati to Siliguri. And you can see this route of pipelines in your map in the northeastern states, when this line just start from Guwahati, Barauni, and reaches to Allahabad. The next pipeline is from Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab, and this goes via Mathura, Delhi, and Sonipat. It has the branches to connect Koili, Chaksu, and other places. The next gas pipeline that has its great importance, and that is the Hazira Vijaypur gas pipeline. This connects from Hazira in Gujarat to Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh and via Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. It has the branches to Kota in Rajasthan. Next is Shahjahanpur, Babrela, and the other places in Uttar Pradesh. So this was the information about the pipeline services and three important gas pipelines in India, and you have to read carefully all about these three different pipelines which are important, and you have to also clearly learn the important places means the stations which are lying on these pipelines, and these may be asked in the objective questions as well as in the very short or the short answer type questions. So take care and be ready for the next topic, waterways, in the next video.